Okay, you won't believe this. Hundreds of workers are pulling this giant stone on ropes. This is how they're moving the pyramid blocks. I think I just time traveled to ancient Egypt. Look behind me. They're literally building the Great Pyramid right now. This is insane.
These time travel vlog videos are going crazy on Instagram right now. People are literally filming themselves in the past or even the future. And the funny part, they act like they just casually walked into history. Like, hey guys, just hanging out with dinosaurs today. Let me show you an example.
Okay, this is not a zoo. There's literally a dinosaur walking toward me right now. If this vlog cuts out, you know why.
This account has only uploaded a few videos, but almost every video is getting millions of views. This one got 4 million views. This one, 9 million views. And their most viral video crossed 10 million views. Yep, just imagine waking up and seeing 10 million people watching your video. That's a good day. Because of this trend, the creator gained over 400,000 followers in less than a month. And guess what? It's not just this account. Many new creators are already jumping into this trend, and they are growing very fast. That's why I think right now is the perfect time to enter this niche. It's still fresh, and not many people are doing it yet. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step. First step, go to ChatGPT. Open the sidebar, click Explore GPTs, and in the search bar, type Time Travel Vlog. Then select this one, scroll down, and start a chat. If you're lazy like me, don't worry. You can also find the direct link in the description below. Once you open the chat, you'll see two options at the top. In this video, we're going to choose Put Yourself in a Vlog. So click that option. The second option works in a similar way, so you can try that later after watching this video. After selecting Put Yourself in a Vlog, the GPT will ask you to fill in a few details. Here's what you need to do. First, upload a reference photo of yourself. Yes, your face is about to become a time traveler. Next, type the location and time period where you want your vlog to happen. For this example, we choose dinosaurs in the Jurassic period, because why not start with dinosaurs, right? Dinosaur emoji. Once you send that, the GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts. And now, the fun part begins. Next, go to Google Flow, click New Project, choose Image Generation, then select the Nano Banana Pro version. Also, make sure to upload your reference image. Once that's done, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. The prompt is called Curious Dinosaur Approaches the Camera. Copy it, paste it here, and click Generate. After the generation finishes, Nano Banana creates an image of your character in a vlog-style scene. It looks like you are standing there holding a camera while a dinosaur is getting a little too curious about you. Honestly, if a dinosaur walked up to me like that, I would probably stop vlogging and start running. Now, let's try the second prompt. The one called Walking Through a Giant Prehistoric Forest. Copy the prompt, go back to Flow, paste it, choose how many images you want, and then click Generate. Next, repeat the same process for prompts 3, 4, and 5. Once everything is finished, Nano Banana will give you several images in different locations and scenes. From all these images, choose the ones you like the most. For example, I selected 5 images that match the story I want to create. Now it's time to bring these images to life. We're going to animate them using Grok AI. Open Grok AI and select the Imagine option. Then switch to the Video option. Set the resolution and make sure the video size is 9:16. First, upload the first image we generated with Nano Banana. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video text prompt. Make sure your reference image is uploaded. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and within a few seconds, your 6-second video is ready. Just look at the quality and sound. It really feels like you are standing there in the Jurassic world filming a vlog. Don't forget to upscale the video and then click Download. Now repeat the same process for the next image. Upload the image, paste the matching video prompt, click Generate. Do this for every image you created. By the end, you will have several short video clips ready. Now it's time to edit everything together. Open CapCut. Import all the videos you generated. Cut the unnecessary parts from each clip. Then add some cool transitions between the clips. Personally, I like using a black fade transition because it looks smooth and cinematic. You can also add filters and background music. And if possible, add captions. Captions help keep people watching until the end of the video. Finally, export the video in 4K resolution, 9:16 aspect ratio. Perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And that's it. You just created your own time travel vlog video. All the tools and links I used in this video are in the description below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, this is not a zoo. There's literally a dinosaur walking toward me right now. If this vlog cuts out, you know why. I think I just walked into the middle of a dinosaur highway. Look at the size of those footprints. This forest is unreal. You are not going to believe this. That dinosaur behind me is taller than a building. I think it's eating from the top of the trees. Okay, I think that roar came from right behind me. If that's what I think it is, I need to move now! Guys, the ground is shaking and the sky is orange. I think that volcano is about to erupt and every dinosaur here is running.